Want to be a programmer in a fun way? Want to learn the fastest growing language, which is Python? You are in the right place. In this series, I will teach Python language from start to end. The only prerequisite will be your time. In this series, we will start from the scratch. We will discuss the language fundamentals, the syntax, and the concept of Python language so that you can understand all the syntax, all the concept very easily. Now the question, Python is the fastest growing language. Why? Python is the fastest growing language in terms of developer using Python, in terms of number of library it have, in terms of number of companies using it, and number of area you are implementing Python. That is in machine learning. In machine learning you can implement Python. In GUI, graphical user interface, you can use Python programming language. For software development you can use Python, and lastly web development. In web development you can use Python. Now the question is, why we need to learn Python? Why it is so useful? There are so many other programming languages like C, C++, C has Java, JavaScript. Then why Python? Thing is that scientists are rarely uh, invest their time for writing codes. They want to more focus on their concept, new implementation, new area. So they are searching a easy programming language. So here Python wins. And Python also interpreted object-oriented and high-level programming language. Now few people say Python is a newer language. No, 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 no. If we compare with Java, Java came into picture in 1995, but Python came 1989, way before Python. Python is easy to learn, very simple compared to C, C++, Java. That's why in school students are learning Python, and this is very easy. Now I will discuss number of companies who are using Python. Mostly Google, YouTube, Yahoo, Dropbox, NASA, they are using Python, or some application of them they are using Python. So from the next session we will discuss each of the syntax, how to use them, how to use Python using small example. So stay tuned. Thank you.